welcome back to my channel, GlamBySam. Today's video I may look a little bit different, and that is because usually I straighten my hair, and today I haven't done anything to it other than blow drying, and that is because today's video is going to be all about the hair. So in this video I am going to be talking about a hair product, and that product is the OLAPLEX No.6 Bond Smoother. So this video is not sponsored in any way, I just want to share my thoughts on the OLAPLEX No.6. So before I start, I want to say something that you're probably noticing, and that is I've changed my background again. I'm sorry, but this is the background that's going to be staying. But that's not what today's video is about, because as you guys probably know, I have bleached hair and I have a balayage in my hair. I actually got this done in February at the hair salon, and it was actually the second time that I got my hair bleached. Now the first time I got it bleached was last year, also in February. I also got a balayage and I just let it grow out, and then like when I bleached it again in February I had like all fresh new hair. So it wasn't like bleaching on bleached hair. Now, bleaching your hair can damage your hair really much, and I definitely noticed that like last year when I bleached it. So this year when I went back I asked for the OLAPLEX treatment, and basically OLAPLEX is like a product that restores the bonds in your hair basically. So it's like chemically in your hair. And it's not something that like works by putting a layer on the top. It really does something in your hair. And I've heard a lot of people say that when you bleach your hair, you should really get the OLAPLEX treatment because it will be way less damaging. So I thought I'm going to try it. It was about 30 euros extra at the salon, and they do number 1 and 2 in the process. And I definitely felt a difference in how much damage my hair was. My hair is still kind of dry, but it's not as damaged as it used to be last year. Now, those OLAPLEX 1 and 2 you can only get done in the hair salon, but there's actually a couple more steps that you can actually take home. So I think the most famous one is step number 3, which is the hair treatment. So that's basically a treatment that I believe you cover your entire hair in. You rinse it out, and it's really supposed to help your hair. Now, I've never tried it, mainly because the OLAPLEX is really expensive. The number 3 also comes in a small bottle like this. It's around 30 euros for such a small bottle. Now, the number 3 you have to put in like the majority of your hair, and that's why I think for my hair personally it's a little bit too expensive, because I'm going to need a lot of product to cover my entire hair because I have really thick hair and a lot of hair. So I've never done that step, but I am interested in trying it in the future. So then there's number 4 and 5, which is a shampoo and conditioner. And to be honest, I use a pretty basic shampoo and conditioner that work fine for me. So me personally, I am not going to spend that money on the shampoo and conditioner. But then there was number 6, and that was something that I was interested in, and like I already said, this is the Bond Smoother. And basically this is a leave-in cream. So it says leave-in reparative styling cream, eliminates frizz, hydrates and protects. So basically what this is supposed to do is basically smooth your hair and also repair it at the same time, because it has like the famous OLAPLEX ingredient in there. So the directions just say apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, which is nice because you can either apply it on damp or dry hair. Concentrating product on your mid-length to nth, comb through and style as desired. So it's basically something that you put in your hair, you brush it, and then you can leave it in there, which I think is really nice because I don't have to wash it out, and I'm not going to need that much, because when I've used this, I've done it pretty much like from here to here, like really more like the bottom parts of my hair, and I found that it really worked. So right now I don't have anything in my hair, so I thought I would show you on one side what it would look like with the OLAPLEX, and one side how it would look without. So I just want to sit a little bit to the back so you can see like the majority of my hair. So I'm just going to brush it right now. And I'm going to put the OLAPLEX in this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bottle, and I'm just going to put like a tiny amount on there. And it's kind of a thick cream, so it's kind of hard to get out sometimes. You really don't need a lot. So what I'm going to do now is just spread it between my hands. Just looks like this. It's a bit white, just a creamy consistency. And I'm just going to put it in my hair. And I'm really going to focus on the ends and the tips, and then I work my way up sort of to the middle part of my hair. It just smells really nice. I can't really like describe the smell, and I already feel such a difference. This side is so soft. So I think I have all the products in right now, and now I'm just going to brush it. So now that's the Olaplex put in this side of my hair, and this side definitely feels softer. It's not like a major difference. I think you do have to keep using this for a while to really notice like big differences. But from what I notice now, it's already softer. So as you can see, this side is definitely more like sleek than this side. This is a little bit more frizzy, and this is definitely like more smooth and more soft. So right now I'm also going to put it in this side of my hair so that I have it in my entire hair. So I just took like a small part as well. It smells so good. And from what I've noticed when I've tried it, it definitely doesn't make my hair like greasy. Like my hair can get greasy like pretty quickly, but I feel like this definitely doesn't do that. I'm not going to put it at the top just because my hair gets like more greasy there. So from what I can say, my hair definitely feels a lot softer, and it just feels like more healthy because it's more soft. So actually I really like this product because I feel like it makes my hair really healthy and soft at the same time. Now I would usually straighten my hair, so I might do that after this video, but I just wanted to show you the results on like natural, just like a bit blow dried hair. Now it doesn't eliminate all my frizz because I definitely have naturally like pretty frizzy hair, so it's like almost impossible for a product to eliminate all the frizz in my hair. But if I look at the bottom here, it's definitely much more smooth and soft, so it definitely did a really good job at that. Now on the Olaplex website, they also say that the number 6 is supposed to shorten the blow dry time. I tried it a couple days ago when I was going to blow dry my hair, and in terms of that, I didn't feel there was that much of a difference. Now I have pretty thick and a lot of hair, like I said, so I'm always blow drying for quite some time in order to get my hair dry. I never really blow dry it like in like a sort of model or anything, so I just want my hair to be dry, so that's basically why I blow dry. So in terms of that, I haven't really found that much of a difference. I also feel like you get the best results by putting this in dry hair instead of in damp hair. I feel like my hair is softer when I put it in dry hair. Now, I think you're all wondering, do I think the Olaplex number 6 is worth it? Now, I think it's a great product. I'm really interested in the Olaplex brand. I also really want to try the number 7 oil because I've heard that's pretty good. So I'm definitely excited to try that one as well sometime. But the big downside of the Olaplex brand and the products is the price. They are really pricey. Now, I'm a student. I love my hair, but I just don't have all the money to spend on it. My hairdresser was actually having a discount on all their hair products. I ended up getting this for 30% discount, so instead of 30, I paid around 20, which I think is a much more reasonable price than 30, because I think 30 is just a bit high up there. And while it does make my hair really soft, it doesn't like transform it overnight. It's not like you go to sleep with like damaged hair, you wake up and it's super healthy. That's not what it does. But I do think it's actually a nice thing that it works inside your hair rather than just putting a layer on the top. If this product is going to keep living up to my expectations, I think I definitely might save up to repurchase this, because I feel like a little bit goes a long way with this product and you don't need that much. So it's not like you run out of this really quickly compared to like the number 3 hair treatments, from which you need a lot more. So my sister actually got like a bottle of the number 3 at the same time as I got this last week. So I'm going to ask her in a while like how long it took her to run out of the bottle, and I might update you guys on that. So that being said, I think this is all about my Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother review. I really like this product and I definitely cannot wait to use it more. If you have any question regarding this product or any other question for me, you can always leave a comment and ask me. I just love to answer you guys' comments. Also, I want to say I'm not like a hairdresser or professional in any way. I'm a beauty lover and I'm sharing with you my thoughts on this product. If you want to see more hair videos, or if you have any other video suggestions, you can always leave a comment or message me on Instagram. My username is @GlamBySam with 2 M's and an X at the end. With that said, if you did enjoy it, I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget you can always subscribe if you want to see more videos. With that said, I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. I really hope you have a great day and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!